Well, maybe after I took a shower, I feel better. After I take a shower.
Don't knock out the shower. Don't knock out the
Unlock the door?
No.
I will be okay. Maybe after the shower, I'll be okay.
Don't knock out like that.
Oh, I mean,
Usually, yeah. He's a Oh.
That's not funny.
Are you going to say? Bye, bye. You're one of my worst enemies now because you're holding a pen. Are you still holding a pen?
No. I told you, go sleep, go sleep.
You're so good. Okay, I'm going to take a shower. I'll be better.
Get shampoo.
Maybe mommy's going to take a shower. Maybe mommy's going to
No.